Whatever your business or services you offer, accommodating all staff and visitors is key. Modular changing places are a quick and flexible solution, ensuring your physically disabled customers have an easy access toilet and changing facility. Fully prefabricated off-site, delivered by a lorry and installed onto a prepared surface in just half a day, our easy access changing places reduce the on-site construction period by up to 10 weeks, providing a quick and effective disabled facility at your premises, outdoor space or event. They're perfect for public buildings and businesses with no room or time to install a facility within a building, or who need a solution outdoors in a public place, and anyone providing a temporary facility, like outdoor events companies. Innova offers a full turnkey package, including the planning, surveys, laying the base slab, unit installation, and utilities connection. Our simple-to-use product configurator helps you customize your changing place your way. With multiple bespoke options, including all fittings. That's everything from the cladding, wall panels and flooring to our eco-friendly solar panels. You can even include wall graphics and signage in line with your brand. It's a complete solution from the ground up, giving you and your customers a comfortable and easy access changing facility quickly and more flexibly than a build or remodel. Bringing indoor solutions outdoors to accommodate everyone.